Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Market themes over the past 3 weeks: risk on, VIX off. http ntvforex.com news ID 61FC24. 7/20/2025 068 Main macro themes. Last week, the number of new daily cases in the US rose to more than 60,000, which marks the highest number of new cases seen so far. Hospitalizations continue to increase, and we are especially concerned about the sharp acceleration in new deaths in California, Texas, Florida, and Arizona. Moreover, Latin America is still far away from having the virus under control. On the other side of the Atlantic, the picture is completely different, with new cases still moving sideways at low levels in most European countries. High-frequency data overall show a picture of strengthening domestic demand in Europe, with German restaurant booking back to normal levels. However, electricity demand in Italy and the UK is lagging their European peers. US restaurant bookings, transaction card spending and Google's mobility reports have moved sideways in recent weeks, indicating that the recovery is taking a breather. See page 3. PMIs in Europe. The US and UK rebounded sharply in June, underpinning previous positive signs from high-frequency data. The PMIs remain below pre-crisis levels, but they likely underestimate the true speed of the recovery due to the unique nature of the crisis. A more accurate picture of the recovery comes from the US labor market, where employment rose by 4.8% in June but still has 2/3 of the ground back to pre-crisis levels left to cover. Stimulus in the euro area has not changed over the past 3 weeks. At the July ECB meeting, there was no news. See Flash ECB research when no news is good news, July 16. The ECB continues to support credit growth to the private sector, as euro area banks took up a record high Euro 1.3 TR and inflation 3.4 in June. The EU Council summit this weekend did not foster a deal on the recovery fund yet, just as we expected. Given the importance of an ambitious deal, we believe that the EU leaders will broker a deal before the European Commission traditionally starts its holiday in August. In the US, the minutes from the June Fed meeting showed a very interesting discussion about yield curve control and forward guidance. Based on the minutes, we changed our Fed call and now believe some sort of average inflation target is more likely. This week, negotiations on a fourth U.S. fiscal stimulus package are set to begin. If the Senate does not extend the temporary higher unemployment benefits, it could mean a significant negative income shock for many, which could hit consumption as well. Fixed income and FX developments. Risk-on sentiment has dominated markets in the past 3 weeks, with higher equity prices across the major indices. The extremely sharp monetary and fiscal stimulus has ensured plenty of risk appetite and excess liquidity. As such, volatility has dropped quite markedly and VIX is now hovering around the lowest levels since the corona outbreak started. The carry-friendly environment has ensured a tight range in bond markets and further broad USD weakening, which is visible in the EUR/USD moving from 1.12 to 1.14 over the past 3 weeks. Read the full article. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.